Good evening, everyone. Welcome to AI 1 Minute for July 14th, 2023.
Here are the things that happened in the AI world today.
Several interesting AI applications are trending on GitHub today. Firstly, a repository called Companion App is trending on GitHub at the first place. This is an application that creates various AI characters that users can chat with. This tool is useful, but it also creates ethical implications, such as concerns related to emotional connection, misinformation, and trust.
Another repository called Monai is trending on GitHub. Monai is an open source AI company specifically for the healthcare domain. It has created a wide range of applications, including medical image tools, medical AI application builder, and medical image analysis and segmentation.
Another repository called Animate Diff is trending on GitHub, and this is another application of Stable Diffusion and allows users to give text prompts and animate the image generated by Stable Diffusion.
Finally, a repository called Deep Face Live is trending. This allows real-time face swap during video calls, as well as animating faces.
That's it for today. See our video intro to learn more. Good night.
Good night.